Focus. What's up guys, welcome back to Malachi.Creates, and today I'm going to be doing another canvas fix-up. Not really happy with this canvas, so I'm not going to waste any time. This is going to be a cool video because we're just going to see where this canvas goes. I have no idea what the outcome is, and let's see what happens. This has evolved pretty cool. It's almost turned into like a another formation of like a universe and a galaxy, and I sprinkled in some like mini pearls of like glass pearls, and those are like the planets forming and all the galaxies forming in separate pockets of the early universe. Well, that's where it kind of went. So I'm just gonna go with that. Well, if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video. If you like this sort of content, I just create cool things, and whether it's painting, canvases, or whatever pieces that I'll be making, this is the channel for that, and I appreciate the love. Please like and subscribe, comment on the video, try and get it recognized in the algorithm, because that's the thing you got to do nowadays. And yeah, check me on the next one.